So here is a short video. This is the cliff walk in Newport, Rhode Island. This is a flyover, my Mavic Pro Drone, right over the cliff walk and over the bay around Easton's Beach. Here I was lucky to get some migrating geese in the frame. That made the shot really nice. And some overhead flight of the cliff walk. A bunch of people walking on the path. And the surrounding cliffs with some water and rocks. Well, Newport is known as the yachting destination of New England. It's actually a host of America's Cup, which is a big sailing and yachting race that goes back hundreds of years. And there's quite a few yachts there, and some of the history includes a lot of the old 1800s mansions. Well, Newport is a great vacation destination for people all over the world to see. This is one of the great towns that reflect a lot of New England's history, and there's tons of coastline, plenty of pristine and beautiful beaches. Good place for the family, good environment. Lots to see and take in. Fresh air, fresh green and blue ocean. Easton's Beach offers bathroom and shower facilities. They have on-site snack bar. You can rent cabanas. I believe there's a shuttle that stops there and it will take you into town. While it's not a dog-friendly beach until after Labor Day or before Memorial Day weekend, it's a really good place to spend a day with the kids or the family. Get them out there in the water and have a good time. Every September, Newport, Rhode Island is the host to the Newport International Boat Show, where you can find all the latest and greatest in marine technology and all the new boats that are being manufactured from all different kinds of boat manufacturers from around the world. Anything from EPIRBs to inflatables, dinghies, parts for your boat, motors, fish finders, navionics, all kinds of technology. I like to go here every year and just see what's out, what's the latest and greatest. It's kind of mind-blowing. Here we are coming up on the main boardwalk for Easton's Beach. Here's the snack bar. There's all the facilities there. Shower, bathroom, plenty of parking. Shuttle bus comes here. This clip here, there's a great view of the two giant sandbars that are formed along the beachfront, making our way out to the ocean. Here we are in mid-September, and you can see from the foliage some of the leaves are starting to turn already. Temperatures have been dipping into the 50s at night, so it's starting to change into fall. The path along the cliffwalk has some steep drops, upwards over 70 feet high, so you gotta kind of stay on the trail and be very observant for like high bush and trees and shrubbery, because on the edge of that there might be the drop. So you guys kind of stay on the trail and just be a little safe walking down, and you should be fine. So here we are descending upon the observation deck. This is known as 40 steps. So you take 40 steps down to the ocean where you can take in the scenery and take some nice family pictures and portraits. A lot of good landscape photos and photography can be taken from this area. So I just want to say thank you all for watching, and this looks appealing to you and you might be interested. Feel free to check out Newport, Rhode Island. You won't be disappointed. It's a beautiful place. Thanks for watching again. If you like my channel, please click like and subscribe.